Here we got another one. This one I know was from 2022. It's also got a cold one. Interesting. This one, yeah, this one's from the 4th week of 2022. It's a 2-ton. Very nice. I don't think any of these are. Then we got another one right here. This one's also from 2022. It's in the 2nd week. It's a 2-ton as well. And it's also got a coat one. So these are, despite what the energy guide says, I don't believe these are actually 14s here. I think they're 16. None of these have been running. There's a shot at the compressor tag. And I can't tell what type of fan motor these are. I think these are Broad Oceans here. Got another one. 2022, 3.5 ton. Carrier logo.